Oppo F25 Pro 5G display 6.7 inches Full HD plus AMOLED display, 120 refresh rate, processor MediaTek processor, Dimensity 7050 processor, 8 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, camera 64 megapixel plus 8 megapixel, 2 megapixel, front 32 megapixel, 5000 mAh battery, 67 watt super fast charging type C charger. Samsung Galaxy F50 6.5 inches display, AMOLED display, 90 refresh rate, processor MediaTek Dimensity 6100 plus processor, 6 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, 50 megapixel and 5 megapixel, 2 megapixel, front 30 megapixel, 6000 mAh battery, 25 watt fast charging, and Xiaomi 14 6.36 inches OLED display, 120 refresh rate, processor Qualcomm Snapdragon processor, camera back 50 megapixel plus 50 megapixel plus 50 megapixel, front 32 megapixel, battery 4610 mAh battery, 90 watt fast charging, 50 watt wireless turbo charge, Dolly Atoms on stereo speakers, IPS water resistant, dust proof, Corning Gorilla Glass, Infinix Smart 8 Plus display 6.6 HD display, 500 night brightness, MediaTek Helio G36 octa-core processor, 4 GB RAM, 128 GB storage, 50 megapixel and front 8 megapixel, 6000 mAh battery, 180 watt type C fast charging, XOS 13 Android, Realme Narzo 70 Pro 5G display, 6.7 inches AMOLED display, 2400 pixels and 1080 pixel, PPI 393, refresh rate 120, processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2, CPU octa-core 2.4 GHz, RAM 6 GB, 128 GB storage, camera 50 megapixel and 12 megapixel and 5 megapixel, 2 megapixel, front 24 megapixel, battery 5000 mAh battery, 67 watts of fast charging, USB type C charging, Realme 12 Plus 5G display 6.67 inches OLED display, 1080 pixel and 2400 and PPI 395, refresh rate 120, processor MediaTek Dimensity 7050 octa-core 2.6 GHz, RAM 12 GB RAM, 250 GB storage, camera 50 megapixel and 8 megapixel and 2 megapixel, 4K video recording, front 16 megapixel camera, battery 5000 mAh battery, 67 watt super hook fast charging, USB type C charger, Vivo V30 display 6.78 inches, pixels 1260 and 2800 pixels, AMOLED display, PPI 453, refresh rate 120, processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 processor, RAM 8 GB, storage 126 storage, camera 50 megapixel plus 50 megapixel plus 2 megapixel and 4K video recording, front 50 megapixel camera, battery capacity 5000 mAh battery, 80 watt fast charging, type C charger, Nokia G42, display 6.56 inches, IPS LCD, display 720 pixel and 1612 and PPI 269, refresh rate 120, processor Qualcomm Snapdragon 480 plus processor, RAM 6 GB RAM, storage 128 GB storage, back camera 50 megapixel and 2 megapixel, front 8 megapixel camera, battery 5000 mAh battery, 20 watt fast charging, type C charger, and Techno Spark 20C, display 6.6 inches, IPS LCD, 720 pixel and 1612 and PPI 267, refresh rate 90, processor MediaTek Helio G36, RAM 8 GB RAM, 120 GB storage, black camera 50 megapixel and 0.08 pixels, front 8 megapixel, battery 5000 mAh battery, 80 watt fast charging, USB Type C charger. Sale start from March 5. Coming price 7099, price